Imagine looking through a microscope and seeing a tiny world bustling with life. As you focus in, you see a group of small, wriggling organisms. These are Plasmodium falciparum, the deadliest species of malaria. Today, I will take a closer look at these parasites and learn about their different life stages: trophozoites, schizons, and gametocytes. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Now let's start. Number 1. Understanding Plasmodium falciparum. Malaria is a disease caused by the Plasmodium parasite, which is transmitted through the bites of infected mosquitoes. Plasmodium falciparum is the deadliest species, responsible for the majority of malaria-related deaths. To understand how it affects the body, we need to look at its life cycle. Number 2. The life cycle of Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum has a complex life cycle that involves two hosts, humans and mosquitoes. When a mosquito bites a human, it injects Plasmodium sporozoites into the bloodstream. These sporozoites then travel to the liver, where they infect liver cells and multiply. After a few days, the infected liver cells burst and release merozoites into the bloodstream. Number 3. The 3 stages of Plasmodium falciparum. Once inside the bloodstream, Plasmodium falciparum goes through 3 main stages: trophozoites, schizons, and gametocytes. First, trophozoites. These are the early-stage parasites that invade red blood cells and feed on the hemoglobin inside. Under the microscope, they appear as small, ring-shaped structures inside the red blood cells. Second, schizons. As the trophozoites mature, they become schizons. These are larger, more complex structures that contain multiple nuclei and will eventually burst open, releasing merozoites into the bloodstream. Third, gametocytes. Some of the merozoites produced by the schizons will develop into gametocytes, which are responsible for sexual reproduction of the parasite inside the mosquito. Number 4. Practical tips for protecting yourself and others. While Plasmodium falciparum can be a deadly parasite, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and others from malaria. Here are 3 practical tips. 1. Use insect repellent. Mosquitoes are the primary way that Plasmodium falciparum is transmitted. Using insect repellent can help prevent mosquito bites and reduce your risk of infection. 2. Sleep under a mosquito net. If you live in an area with a high risk of malaria, sleeping under a mosquito net can be an effective way to prevent bites while you sleep. 3. Take antimalarial medication. If you're traveling to an area with a high risk of malaria, taking antimalarial medication can help prevent infection. Number 5. Staying up to date on the latest research and guidelines. As with any infectious disease, it's important to stay up to date on the latest research and guidelines for preventing and treating Plasmodium falciparum infection. This can be challenging, as new research is constantly being published and guidelines may change. However, by staying informed and following the latest recommendations, you can help protect yourself and others from this deadly parasite. In conclusion, Plasmodium falciparum is a complex and deadly parasite that can be seen under the microscope in its various life stages, including trophozoites, schizons, and gametocytes. By understanding how this parasite infects and multiplies within the human body, we can take steps to protect ourselves and others from malaria. Using insect repellent, sleeping under a mosquito net, and taking antimalarial medication are 3 practical tips for preventing malaria infection. It's also important to stay up to date on the latest research and guidelines to ensure we're following the most effective strategies for preventing and treating malaria. While Plasmodium falciparum is a deadly parasite, we can take steps to protect ourselves and our communities from its harmful effects. By staying informed and taking preventative measures, we can work towards a world where malaria is no longer a threat to global health. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So despite all that you've learned, you still can't get it? No problem, because this video here has everything you need. Check it out now and crack that code and get all the information you need.